I'm going to show you how I assembled my garage storage set for Montezuma. It was truly a frustration-free experience.
Each piece is sold separately, so you can mix and match units to build your perfect garage, just like I did. Every unit comes folded up for easy transport. Once home, you will simply unfold, attach with provided hardware, and set up wherever you want. All you will need is a power drill or a screwdriver. Stacking cabinets are an alternative to a tall cabinet. I'm going to show you how to assemble a two-door stacking cabinet and how to stack one on top of another. Choose one cabinet to be the bottom cabinet in your stack, unfold it and lay it upside down. Insert and tilt the bottom panel into the bottom of the cabinet. Then attach with the screws provided. Screw the adjustable feet into the bottom of the cabinet. Turn it over and place the top panel on top. Don't attach it yet. Now build the top cabinet in your stack. Like the bottom cabinet, unfold it and attach the bottom panel. Turn it upright and attach the top panel with the screws provided. Place on top of the other stacking cabinet and attach them together with the provided bolts. Finally, put the shelf supports inside each cabinet at the desired height with the shelf on them. Because I want these units to look good in my garage, I provided to hide the holes that I am not using. Finally, for safety, the tops of all of the units should be secured to the wall using the tapping screws and washers provided. Be sure to mount to wall studs or another solid surface, not to drywall.
And there you have it. Not frustrating at all. For more information, refer to the owner's manual that came with your new unit.